G'day, Shah here once again with Four Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. This week we're taking a look at a great place to go for a kayak. It's called Jindalee Boatramp, and we're taking a look at the boat ramp here in the park. So grab the kayak and let's go.
You don't know, go for long.
Jindalee Boatramp and Park is around half an hour southwest of Brisbane. It's pretty easy to make your way here. All you need to do is turn off at the Jindalee exit of the Western Freeway and follow along Cinnamon Road until you get to Mount Omni Drive. Right, now that we've arrived on site, let's take a bit of a look around. So the park itself here is actually divided up into a couple of different areas. You've got the area at the boat ramp here, which has got a couple of covered areas. There's a few tables that are down on the water as well. There's taps here, there's a couple of barbecues that are here behind me as well, and there's a pretty large grassed area that's here as well. And this is the first section, and the second section that is away from the boat ramp is where the kids play area and park and all the rest of it is. It's a pretty nice area here. So if you've got a dog here, there's actually two sort of separate little parks that are in here with off-lead areas, as you can see. So it's actually pretty nice. And there's lots of trees and whatnot in here, and these both overlook the water, which is really nice. There's a pretty big car park that's here as well. There's probably enough room for about 10 cars with boat trailers on them, and probably about 20 car park spots as well. So there's plenty of facility for parking here if you wanted to come here and use the water. So you've got plenty of different options if you wanted to jump in for a kayak here. You've got the boat ramp that's on my left-hand side. You've got the jetty that's here as well. So as well as having the boat ramp, they've got steps that go down to the water as well. So if you're kayaking, you can just launch straight from here as well, which is pretty handy. All right, well, it's time for us now to take the short little 50-metre walk up to the next section of the park where the kids' park is. Along the way here as well, you'll find the bathroom block. There's also an outdoor ping pong table here and a community notice board. And along this walkway, there's even some park fit equipment, which is here, which is pretty handy as well. And the entire lot of this park is all overlooking the water. So up here in the other section of the park where the kids' play area and everything is, there's a massive park that's here. You've got a ton of really old gum trees that are here, which is beautiful. And this area is pretty well set up as well. The kids' play area is huge. It's got a nice bark space on it, so nice and soft. And the grassed area here that leads down to the river is fantastic. It's huge, it's big enough to kick a footy in. And there's barbecues, chairs, tables, everything up here as well, so it's really well set up. It's a really nice park here, and it's definitely a great place to check out the river. If you wanted to come for a kayak, it's probably one of the better places in Brisbane to come for a kayak on the water and enjoy the river. All right, well, now that we've taken a look around the boat ramp, day use area here and the kids park as well, I think it's time for us to go for a kayak. One of the things you should take note of on the site here, and you can see in your pictures, is that the boat ramp does get a little bit slick underfoot. So if you are here at low tide, just take note of that. But it's also good that they've got the jetty here and the stairs down to get into the water as well if you're kayaking. So you've got plenty of options available for you if you wanted to come for a kayak. Right, well, I think it's time for us to go and grab the kayak now and jump in the water. It's a beautiful area to go for a kayak through here. Basically, the first couple of kilometres as you're heading up the river, on your right hand side are the University of Queensland Pinjarra Hills campus, so it's mostly forest that's along there, and there's not too many houses along the river on either side. And once you get a couple of kilometres up, once the Pinjarra Hills campus ends and the forest ends for that, you come to the Woolston Creek Bushland Reserve on your left, and once again you've got forest around behind the correctional centre there for a few kilometres as you're heading up further up the river as well. So there's a lot of forest either side of the river, and it's probably the nicest place in Brisbane to experience the Brisbane River, to be honest. It's just mostly forest, and there's not houses that are all lining the river throughout the entire length of your journey. From here you can actually head further up north and make your way up to where the river splits at Joseph Brady Park, which we've taken a look at in the past. And there the river splits into the Bremer River, which heads up towards Ipswich, or continues as the Brisbane River up towards Colleges Crossing and further up towards the dam at Wivenhoe. Definitely a nice spot here. I've come here to kayak many times and enjoyed it. It's a really nice place. All right, well that's going to wrap things up for us here at Jindalee Boatramp and Park. Let me know what you think of the place in the comments down below. Is it a go or is it a no-go? Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly share the channel. I really do appreciate that. We'll see you next time we get four wheels on the road.